Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire Ice Container Assy, part number 242093012. The Frigidaire Ice Container Assy, part number 242093012, is a replacement part for Frigidaire refrigerators. It is the container that holds the ice cubes and dispenses them when needed. The container is made of durable plastic and includes a removable lid for easy access to the ice cubes. It also includes a wire handle for easy removal from the refrigerator. This part is compatible with many Frigidaire models, including some of their top-of-the-line models. This part should be replaced if it becomes cracked or damaged in any way, as it can cause leaks and off. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a damaged or worn out ice container assembly in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It can fix symptoms such as the refrigerator not producing ice, the ice maker not dispensing ice, or the ice container being cracked or broken. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by unplugging the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the ice bin from the freezer compartment and set aside. 3. Unscrew the screws that hold the ice container assembly in place and remove it from the freezer compartment. 4. Place the new Frigidaire ice container assembly into position and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. 5. Plug in your refrigerator and turn it back on to begin using your new Frigidaire ice container assembly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.